When you open the mesh file or you create a mesh file, sometimes you have some issue with the part. So maybe you want to clean it up a little bit. So here what I can do is maybe just check if the part got some defects. So if I go to polygons, I can make healing wizard and the software sees if there is some defect. There is, and I can press apply. So here the software is going to fix what it can fix and tell you if it's okay or not. So here the software disappeared, so it's okay. I may just use the standard way of cleaning up quickly the part, which is selecting the whole mesh, inversing the selection and deleting the mesh. So like that, I make sure that nothing is connected to that. And I still got some issues on that part. So maybe I need to rescan it or remesh it or make a global remesh on the part. I will make a global remesh of 0.75 and I will press apply. So the software is going to try to make a fix on that. I could have used different ways of doing that, but usually global remesh works well on that. Now, this part is fixed, but I got some bad features. So if I need to make it in parametric, I don't really care. But here, maybe I care a little bit. So I will just select custom region on that one, just to select that. And OK, and I can delete and fill that. So delete and fill whole, or could have the feature also. Okay, so that is one way. The other way is to make a D feature. Don't forget to increase the size of that paintbrush and D feature. Okay, now I made some modification. I can still use a little smoothing here, make a more smoothness level. And okay. And again, I can modify the part, or I can make whatever kind of smoothing or modification I want on that part. Maybe a little decimation. I got a 50% decimation here to reduce the number of polygons and to increase the number of polygons in straight area, to decrease the number of polygons in straight area. And then here, I can check if this part is modified too much. So again, here I may have some defect, but I don't care. I just want to make sure that this part is okay. So I will make a deviation from mesh. And the software shows me the difference between that mesh and the original scan data. So it remembers what was the state of the scan at the beginning of the session. So it shows me where I modify and I remove some data. So of course, here I get some holes and I fill the holes. Software shows me some defect.